Hey everybody, it's Nicole. So I have been batch filming. Last but not least is the yarn from a couple of lives ago. Let me show it to you to help you remember. Um, So this is the yarn. It's 2 skeins of Daiso yarn, and sorry, it's kind of coming out here. But it's gray, brown, tan, white, and very squishy, and it's 100% acrylic, and its color is gray brown multicolor striped acrylic yarn, and it's from Daiso. So you get 2 skeins. So what I did was we had the live. I entered in, I let you guys know what the word was, which was Japan, because that's where the yarn came from. And so what I'm going to do is I copied and pasted the URL into a comment picker, and then we're going to draw the winner. Now, right now, there's only 5 winners, so the chances of you winning is pretty high. So good luck. And hey, I don't have any problem with that. If you guys don't have any problem with it, obviously the more the merrier. But sometimes, it's better to have less. Less is more. But I don't know, whichever way you want to look at it. And then I haven't, well, in one of my videos, I think I said that I might not have a claim sale or whatever. I guess it depends on how I feel. I really want to sell my art. I know you guys enjoy it. I know there's only so much money that everybody has. The thing is it's kind the art just kind of piles up, and so, which is why part of me wants to do kind of a raffle thing that includes my sales. So I'm not quite sure how I want to incorporate that, but I do, because otherwise, I mean, there isn't anybody that's going to enjoy it, or it's going to end up in the bin. I'm going to just toss it. There's some pieces that I really like a lot, that I'm definitely going to keep. Others I'm kind of like, and then I just throw them in the garbage. So because right now there are a couple of pieces that I have that I've kind of been staring at that are kind of like, that I may bin them. They are gonna go in the garbage. So it depends on how the sale goes. That will determine whether or not certain items go into said bin. All right. Anyway, enough of that. So I'm going to turn my camera around, and we're gonna go ahead and pick the winner. Okay. So everybody, good luck. Okay, so I went ahead and I put the URL in, and then I filtered for the comment or word or hashtag, which was Japan, which is right there. You can see that. And then scroll down here. I already solved the math problem, and then I got the comments, so there's only 5. So we are going to scroll down here and we are going to start so that we can pick the winner. So good luck, everybody. And the winner is Afraid Not Crochet. Congratulations. And it says here, Nicole, thank you for sharing little stories from your trip to Japan. It's so interesting. I took Japanese in high school and learned to speak. Let me see. It's just coming up. Hold on. I know I saw it. Speak Japanese a little bit. I've always wanted to visit. What a blessing for your family. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fun. We really want to go back. And so I am trying to figure out a way to get us to go back. So anyhow, if you want to send your information to fibroyarn@yahoo.com, first, last name, your full address, and then I will send your stuff out as soon as I get it. I'm hoping to get it out to you, if anything, hopefully by next week. Okay, you'll know that it's going out when I have sent you a tracking number. All right, so thank you, everybody. Thanks for coming to my lives. Thank you to those who have previously purchased my art and all of that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.